Greetings from Obi Nnukwu Chineke. Today is September 15th, 2024, known as the Iki market in Igbo land, a day of the breakthrough of the betterment of life. You are highly blessed and empowered to understand human characters, to discern what is good for your fellow human beings and what actions might cause them harm. Think about this. Your body is the true evidence of the good living you should extend to others. It's a reflection of the care and respect you should have for one another. Now there's one thing that sustains our bodies and allows us to function well. Without this one essential element, neither your body nor that of your fellow humans would function. This vital element is the power that keeps our bodies active. It's the messenger that reports when something in your body is not right. It's what exposes whatever you have in mind and brain to his partners at work, ensuring that your plans are known and actions noted, so that both your good and bad deeds are accounted for, even beyond this life. With water, the wind and sand know your mind and your body condition. My dear people, this essential element is water. Without water, neither your body nor that of your fellow humans would function. You see, water connects us all. It holds our information before the wind and sand, revealing our true nature and intentions. The blessings of the universe are upon you. Remember this, as you go about your day on this Eek market day, water is life. It is the key to our existence and the bond that connects us all. Cherish it, respect it, and let it remind you of the connection we share. May you all be blessed with wisdom, health, and prosperity. From Obi Nnukwu Chineke, also known as the wind, water, and sand, the blessings of the universe, Onye Ndu Ikuku Achinike, the messenger of the truth after life.